Hello class, how are you? I hope you all are good. Today we'll start with a new chapter that is our monuments. So monuments are rich culture and heritage. एक हमारे rich culture और heritage का part है. So you must have visited some or the other monument in the last few months or year. So in this chapter we'll see so many monuments, famous and popular monuments in our country. We'll see the Taj Mahal, Golden Temple, study about Hawa Mahal, Sarnath Pillar, Shore Temple, Meenakshi Temple, Char Minar, Tirumala, Venkateshwar Temple, Sun Temple, Victoria Memorial, and in the end we'll study about the preservation of monuments कि इन सारे ही monuments को preserve करना क्यों important है. So get ready. In which city would you be if you visited the following monuments? तो अगर आप इन monuments को visit करेंगे तो कौन सी city में जाएंगे? For कुतुब मीनार, बुलंद दरवाजा, गोल गुंबज, Golconda Fort, Amber Fort, and Gateway of India. Just think about and discuss. Now, let's start with the chapter. Indian history is full of the rise and fall of so many kingdoms and empires. So, Indian history में बहुत सारे kingdoms बने, बड़े सारे empires बने. The king and the emperors of the past built so many buildings. तो उस past time में जो king राजा महाराजा हुआ करते थे, तो वो जब कोई युद्ध होता था उसके लिए कोई फोर्ट बनाया करते थे, किंगडम बनाते थे. सो दे यूज्ड टू बिल्ड मेनी बिल्डिंग्स, फोर्ट्स, एंड आल्सो दे हैव मेड महल, पैलेसेस उन्होंने बनाए. दीज मॉन्यूमेंट्स एग्जिबिट द ग्लोरी ऑफ इंडिया, और ये हमारे इंडिया की एक शान है. They are the part of our cultural heritage. Almost all the states of India boast of some or the other important historical monuments. Thousands of tourists visit India to have a glimpse of its historical monuments. तो इन सारे ही historical monuments की झलक देखने के लिए बहुत सारे टूरिस्ट वहाँ पे विजिट करते हैं. सो आज हम इन सारे ही फेमस मॉन्यूमेंट्स ऑफ इंडिया के बारे में जानेंगे. सो लेट्स जस्ट स्टार्ट विद द ताज महल. So you can see here it is located in Agra. It is said to be one of the seven wonders of the world. It is also called a dream in marble. Emperor Shah Jahan built this tomb in the memory of his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. It is made of white marble and it took 20,000 artisans and craftsmen to build the Taj Mahal. इस ताज महल को बनाने में इतने सारे artisans की help ली. Now, the Golden Temple. The Golden Temple is situated in Amritsar in Punjab. It is the holiest place for the Sikh. तो जो सिख हैं वो सब यहीं पे जाते हैं प्रे करने. The temple is also known as हरमिंदर साहिब. तो इस टेम्पल को हम हरमिंदर साहिब के नाम से भी जानते हैं. It is situated at the center of the सरोवर. ये आसपास सरोवर है, उसके बीचों बीच है. And this temple is famous for its gold-plated roof. तो जो इसकी रूफ है वो गोल्ड प्लेटेड है. नाउ वी सी द नेक्स्ट, हवा महल. सो हवा महल इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड पैलेस ऑफ विंड्स. इट इज अ 5-story बिल्डिंग built by महाराजा सवाई प्रताप सिंह. कब? In 1799. It is a pyramid shape made of small casements, each having a small window with an arched roof. The Hawa Mahal is located in Jaipur. Sarnath Temple. Sarnath pillar was built by the great king Ashoka at Sarnath near Varanasi. The pillar consists of circular columns tapering towards the top. ऊपर की तरफ जा रहे हैं सारे ही circular columns. Now there are carvings of 4 lions standing back to back on the pillar. तो back to back 4 lions हैं. These lions have been chosen as the national emblem of India. तो इंडिया का जो नेशनल एम्बलम है उसके लिए हमने इसी को चूज किया, सारनाथ पिलर को. द व्हील, अशोका चक्र in the national flag has been taken from the carvings of the Sarnath pillar. तो जो अशोका चक्र है झंडे के बीच में ब्लू व्हील जिसकी 24 स्पोक्स हम देखते हैं, तो वो भी कहाँ से लिया गया? From the carvings of this Sarnath pillar. Now here we see the next, the beautiful Shore temple. So this is a complex of elegant shrines is one among the number of Hindu monuments at Mallampuram on the coast of Tamil Nadu. Unlike most of its neighbors at the site, it is built of cut stones. तो ये cut stone से बना हुआ है rather than carved out of caves. बजाय किसी पत्थर पे नकाशी के ये कट स्टोन वर्क से बना हुआ है. It has two shrines, one dedicated to Shiva and the other dedicated to Vishnu. Its style is characterized by a pyramidal tower that consists of step stories topped by a cupola and a finial. Its design. Now we see the next Meenakshi temple. So this is actually located in Madurai, again in Tamil Nadu. It has two shrines dedicated to Meenakshi, that is the sister of Lord Vishnu, and Sudarshwara Lord Shiva. It is the temple. There is a hall which has 1000 pillar. So यहाँ पे 1000 pillars हैं. Each pillar has carvings of gods and goddesses. तो हर pillar पे god और goddesses की बहुत सारी beautiful carvings हैं. Now we see the next Charminar. It is actually located in the old city of Hyderabad. So, what was the reason of its construction? We'll see. It was built by Sultan Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah. It is a massive square gateway, square shape का gateway है. It has four beautifully carved minarets, each of height 53 meter. Charminar was built to celebrate the eradication of plague. एपिडेमिक वहां पे आ गया था, बीमारी फैल गई थी, तो उसको हटाने के लिए उन लोगों ने इस चार मीनार को कंस्ट्रक्ट करा कि हाउ टू सेव पीपल फ्रॉम द एपिडेमिक इन द सिटी. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज तिरुमाला वेंकटेश्वर टेम्पल. तमिल रूलर ऑफ एंशियंट थोंडा मंडलम, प्रेजेंट डे कांचीपुरम जिसे हम कहते हैं, is believed to have first built the temple after visualizing the Lord Vishnu in his dream. माना जाता है कि उन्होंने लॉर्ड विष्णु को अपने ड्रीम्स में देखा, फिर इस टेम्पल को उन्होंने बनाया. वेंकटेश्वर्स abode in the Venkatam hills near Tirupati. Tirupati is a place, वहाँ पे the main temple of Venkateshwara is Tirumala Venkateshwara temple. It is believed to the richest of all the temples in the world. दुनिया के सभी टेम्पल्स में से सबसे ज्यादा रिचेस्ट टेम्पल यही इसी को माना जाता है. द टेम्पल इज लोकेटेड इन चित्तौड़ डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ आंध्र प्रदेश. सो दिस वाज द तिरुमला वेंकटेश्वर टेम्पल, तिरुमाला. Now we'll see the beautiful Sun Temple, which is actually located in Konark. So it is built in the 13th century, dedicated to sun god. Now the temple representation of the chariot of the sun with 12 pairs of huge wheels and 7 horses, which is actually a masterpiece of Odisha architecture. तो वहाँ के architecture का एक masterpiece है. The famous dance festival held at this temple every year is important event. Now the last, Victoria Memorial. So Kolkata is actually known as the city of palace. So this is one of the beautiful palace, the Victoria Memorial. It is a beautiful building which is made of white marble, built between 1906 to 1921 by the British in the memory of Queen Victoria. It houses a large museum today. तो इसके अंदर काफी बड़े museums भी हैं. Now you have to create a timeline on the classroom wall showing the construction dates of various monuments. सारे monuments की construction date लेते हुए आपको एक timeline ready करना है. You have to discuss the historical context or major events during the construction of each monument. Now it's time to talk about the preservation of monument. कि monument को preserve करना, अपनी इंडिया की ग्लोरी को, कल्चर को, हेरिटेज को हम किस तरीके से preserve कर सकते हैं. Historical monuments are not just building. They are not just building. They are a part of rich heritage. People come from different parts of the world इन जगहों को visit करने के लिए. बहुत टूरिस्ट आते हैं. So ये हमारी ड्यूटी बनती है कि किस तरीके से हम इसे preserve करें अपने इस रिच हेरिटेज को विच इज इनहेरिटेड टू अस ऑल, जो कि हमें हमारे पूर्वजों ने दिया है. We should not write or scratch on the walls of the monuments. Monuments की wall पे ना तो हमें कुछ लिखना चाहिए ना scratch करना चाहिए. We should not throw garbage around them when we visit these places. इस जगहों पे जब भी हम जाएं तो हमें आसपास कोई garbage नहीं फेंकना चाहिए. We must purchase entry ticket. Money goes to upkeep these monuments. तो वो पैसा इन monuments की maintenance में further use होता है. So now let's recall. India is called the land of monuments. There are so many monuments. Sarnath pillar was constructed by King Ashoka. Konark temple is devoted to sun god. The Taj Mahal is the most famous monuments of India. We should protect and preserve our monuments और हमें अपने monuments को protect और preserve रखना चाहिए. So now time for conceptual assessment. Say yes or no. Taj Mahal is made of white marble. Yes. Sun temple is in Bihar? No. We should not write on the walls of the monuments? Yes, we should not write. So now you have to take your pick. Who built the Sarnath pillar? Ashoka, Kanishk or Chanakya? So the answer is Ashoka. In which city is Sun temple? Actually located in Konark. It's not located in Madurai or Varanasi. Mathura. So the Victoria Memorial is made of sandstone, marble or diamond? It's made of marble. Now the next you have to match the following columns. Let's just match. Taj Mahal is located in Agra. Golden Temple is located in Amritsar. Okay. Shore Temple. Yes. Mamalpuram. Now, Meenakshi Temple is in Madurai. Charminar, that's in Hyderabad. And the last Victoria Memorial is in Kolkata. So now, time for question answers. Which monument is also called the Dream in Marble? Taj Mahal. What is the significance of Sarnath pillar? Sarnath pillar की क्या significance है? कैसे line to line 4 loins हैं? अशोका चक्र और उसकी carvings circular. You'll explain here. Why is Golden Temple famous? For its gold plated और माना जाता है कि वो सिख की holiest place है. Why was Charminar built? To remove the epidemic of plague, right, from Hyderabad. Why should we preserve our monuments? क्योंकि it is our duty कि हम अपने इंडिया के हेरिटेज को प्रिजर्व करके रखें. Now, time for competency based assessment. You have to organize a clay modeling session where students can create simplified version of historical monuments, offering a hands-on experience with different art techniques. जैसे कि you can see in the sample here, India Gate, Red Fort, Qutub Minar. So this way you can clay model all these structures. Locate and mark historical monuments on the map of India, and then you can discuss the significance of their geographical location and how they contributed to trade routes and cultural exchange. कि किस तरीके से वहाँ से ट्रेड रूट्स चलता था, उसकी पर्टिकुलर वहाँ geographical location का क्या significance है. So we'll discuss. Then you have to visit this link to find out about 3 Indian sites that are on the World Heritage Site list. You have to collect pictures. वहाँ पे जो library है online, वहाँ से आप picture collect करेंगे, information. You may find details as when were they built and by whom. आपको वहाँ पता चलेगा कि किसने बनाया, कब बनाया, what special material were used और कितना time लगा उस construction को, were they built for some special reason, किस वजह से वो बने. So all this we will discuss in your class. Now you have to collect the pictures of different Indian monuments from magazine or printouts. Then you have to create a collage as been shown here, labeling each monument and present this in your class. Time for value corner. Our monuments are our glory. We should not harm them in any way. We should always keep them clean. Only then we will be able to keep our country clean and bring our country on the top of the world. Write 3 important ways that should be followed by us to keep our monuments clean. कि हम monument clean करने के लिए क्या और कर सकते हैं, you have to write down. So with this class, we have done with the chapter. Meet you in the next class with new chapter. Till then, stay tuned.